legislative branch, what's the consequence of divided government going to be? Fragmented policy making. Very good use of that term. Or, in more simple terms, nothing happens. Nothing gets done. Think about in U.S. history when you studied sweeping legislative change. Think about, like, Reconstruction. Can you imagine trying to reconstruct a country when you don't have one party in control? Or the New Deal. And you guys remember, you learned about the New Deal in FDR. And remember, like, the Congress was also Democratic dominated, and they were all kind of working together and doing what FDR wanted. And then the Supreme Court kept overturning it. Do you remember that? And then eventually a bunch of people died, and he got to fill those positions, and then the court said, okay, and they gave him what he wanted. Right? So the problem of divided government is policymaking is it's like checks and balances on steroids. Because now you've got all these different parties there, and we keep going back and forth all the time with our elections. All right, so we defined every term except for party de-alignment, right? Okay, so party de-alignment is symbolized by divided government. So let's see if anybody can take a stab at what that would be. So it's not party realignment, so it's not shifting your allegiance. What might party de-alignment be? Very good. Becoming more independent. Party de-alignment is moving away from partisan identification to this phenomenon of just kind of like looking at the issues. It's not that you don't care about politics, it's that you don't side with one side or the other. Good job. And we know that the populace, that our voters, generally speaking, have moved increasingly towards party de-alignment. That we have more independent voters than we've ever had before. Are we good? Okay, that was a lot. Does the next question have to do with third parties? Say it again. Oh, ticket splitting. Okay, will you read the question to me, Lizzie, please? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, Reese, will you read it, please?
How does ticket splitting contribute to divided government?
Okay, ticket splitting. So ticket splitting is the term your textbook uses. I usually call it split ticket voting, so it means the same thing. So if you split your ticket, that means that you vote for Republicans for some offices, Democrats for other offices, maybe third-party candidates. So you don't vote straight ticket. You vote for different parties within the same ballot. So can you guys answer that question on your own? How does splitting? Whoo! How does tickets?
Splitting.
Thank you. Splitting contribute to divided government. And then it does ask for your opinion. I'm curious to hear what you think.